Hello guys, in this video I will guide you how to self-host n8n or render for free using the free instance of n8n and keep the instance always working. So without wasting time, let's move towards the setup. You have to visit the render dashboard. Render has a project created by itself. When you create an account, just open that project and create new service. After selecting the create new service, you will see that type of different options. You have to select the second one, new web service. Here you have three option of source code to add, like the source code of n8n. You can connect your repository from the n8n github repository, but for now I am using the docker file here. So you can get all the resources I am using in this video from the provided content in my this video description. You can get that file, and the file contain all the setup and the queries we are gonna use inside that. So here you can select any name, anything you want, like you can set the name of this instance accordingly to your company, to your name, anything, but for now I am leaving it n8n, the by default one. And in the instance type, you have to select a free instance here, as our goal is to self-host n8n for free. Then select here the free n8n instance type and deploy the web service. When you hit the deploy button, it will take up to 2 minutes usually to create to complete all the log files, so you have to wait for the set. So finally the n8n is deployed, and render assign a dedicated domain by default to our n8n instance. Before moving the further steps, I have to create dedicated environment variables. You can get the guide of this values and keys from the sheet. I have given the link below in the description of that video. You can access the document, have all the details how you can set and map the environment variables. Basically we have three environment variable. One is n8n host, the second is n8n protocol, and the third one is webhook url. And here you have to use this link where our n8n is hosted and deployed. So you just have to save. So after putting all the environment variable, our instance is deployed to the latest version. Now we have all set. We just have to create cron jobs to keep the instance live. As you can see here, a message by render that your free instance will spin down with an inactivity. So all we have to do is to create cron jobs, and you can get the link of this website from the document I have provided in the description of this video. Create a cron job, and here you have to paste the link of our n8n instance. You can get it from there. Just copy it and paste the url. You can name it anything you want. For now I am giving it a title of n8n jobs. Here you have to select a time interval. I will select 5 minutes and create. Now our n8n cron job is created successfully. It will make sure that after the interval of 5 minutes, after the interval of every 5 minutes, your instance uh, will accept or will receive a request from this platform to make sure that your instance is working. So now any credential here you want, just click next after putting all the required credentials, and it will take you to the screen. Here you can select anything here, or if you want to put your real information you can, and that's all. After this, here they are giving you a message that is enter your email to receive the n8n license key. Yes, it's recommended. You have to enter your email address here and click the send me free license. They will send you a license key, and you have to put that license key here in settings of this bar. You have to put the activation key here to keep all the features unlocked. So that's all. Hopefully this video is helpful for you, and if you want more videos like that, you can comment below. I will work on it. Thank you for watching the video.